Welcome back friend in new series of Revit. Today we are going to learn about ceiling, how to draw ceiling. We will go in architectural. There is a ceiling. We will select ceiling. We'll click in ground floor. You can see here pink lines which is automatically generating ceiling. If you go in any closed loop like closed room or any closed section, it is creating automatically because it's selecting here already selected automatic ceiling. If you select sketch, it will not now. So now we need to draw, but if you go back in automatic, so it will come again automatic selection. Here you will see the property, uh, which ceiling are we going to use here. It's a grid ceiling 60 by 60 and ceiling height is 2.6. If I select here automatic, it will come like ceiling, then automatically it will come again 2.6. So this is grid ceiling, means 60 by 60 ceiling. If I want to change this into different like 60 by 120, so it will come back again. Here we want to make some plain gypsum ceiling. So what I will go, I will select plain. There is generic, don't choose this one. Better to use this one or copy paste or use you can use, if you want you can make a duplicate and do some editing. So in basic the problem is if you will use basic, like if I'm going to select basic, I will select here. First of all it's not showing, but the ceiling is already here. So what I will go, I will make one section here. Okay, sorry, section. We'll see the what is the difference in compound ceiling and basic ceiling. But if you will change the properties and other things, might you can see this is it's showing like a only single line, but definitely there will be ceiling like the gypsum height will be there, then channel is high, channel size is there, so which is not showing here. So it's better if you, instead of using that, you can use planes. If we are using plane C, now you can see this one, it's like how much is that one, it's 57 thick, means there is a gypsum and other thick of channel is included here. So it's better to use plain gypsum ceiling. I will select here, okay, because it's not showing here and there is no hatch. So what I will do to we will bring the hatch here. I will select here, okay, we'll go back, structural, okay, then gypsum board wall, gypsum board, surface pattern. We will see the surface pattern. This is surface pattern and there is no pattern. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to put gypsum. Okay, now we'll see what is coming. Apply. Okay, now we can see there is a pattern like which is like a gypsum pattern. If I want like we can make some cove or something. So what I'm going to do, I will make this like a cove. I will select boundary which is already selected. So I will make here cove. What I'm going to do here, I will use that pick line. Okay, that how much is that, like I'm going to make a 500 cove. Okay, again pick line. Okay, offset, it's better not to have this one. Trim, tr. Okay, now you can see we have ceiling only in external part, we don't have any internal part. What we will do, we will make again an internal part, like I will go back in ceiling, sketch ceiling, or yeah, we will select sketch ceiling and I will draw one rectangular here. Okay, but ceiling height will be different, like this part will be higher, 2.8. So you can see here, this is upper part and this is lower part. If you want to see in section, you can see this one. This is basic ceiling. I will make this plain gypsum ceiling. So now you can see both ceiling design. If you want to make it a little bit more, like this is 2.8, we will make this 2.6 and that we will make 2.8. This is from gate level, sorry. So we will keep from ground floor finish level, and this one we will make below. This one we will keep 2.8 upper, and this one we will keep 2600 same. So now this area is pending. So what we need to do, we need to draw here. For cove, I will go in place in model. Okay, ceiling. You can give any name or keep it like ceiling. I will select extrusion. Here you can select ground floor level. Okay, so starting point, the cove is our ceiling is below ceiling is 2.6, and that additional 50 something which is thickness, and above will be 2850, means where it will be end. So what I will do, I will make here. Okay, then again offset 50, done. We'll go and see in section. Okay, here we can adjust this one. If you can see this one, what I'm going to do now, okay, I will select align command, AL. Okay, I will align this one, select this and align this one. So automatically it's aligned from all over. So you can make cove like this. So if I'm going to, I will finish this one, and now that ceiling is done. You can see this one. If you want to move it back a little bit to place some light or something, so still you can do that one. If you want to place some light or something to make cove light, so it's possible, you can do that one. This is 3D view. If you want to like keep transparent to see the what is going on below, or something, if you want to see like same, what I will go here, I will go in template, select visibility graphics, in model category, select C to see the ceiling. Okay, I will make this 50. So now this is, sorry, again. Okay, 50. Okay, apply. Okay, apply. Okay, what happened? Something went wrong. Okay, ceiling, it's not done. Okay, okay, apply, that is done. Okay, we will change in template. Okay, so now you can see in your 3D model it's visible, so you can see even the below window something. If you want to increase the transparency, you can increase. If you want to make like 65% something, or if you want to decrease, so it's up to you, you can decrease it. So same thing you can do ceiling in here. Like I'm going to make ceiling here, I'm going to select plain gypsum ceiling. I will draw sketch here, here. Okay, okay, we'll trim this one. That's done. offset 500 from outside. Offset 500, or you can change whatever is like your design. If you have 500, 600, it's up to you how you wanna make that ceiling design. Here is I think cabinets are coming, so what I will do here, like I will align this AL, okay, and now I will take offset from here, okay, offset 500, okay, same thing, okay, that's no issue, that's done, okay, this one done, trim, this one done, but here will be little bit changes, but later we'll see once we will draw the stairs, so might we need to cut some of area, keep it open for stairs, so we'll see later. Okay, now done. Some mistake had done. Where is mistake? Okay, this one, trim, okay, still some mistake. It means if it's not being closed, it means there is something mistake from your end, but that will show you highlight, so you can see that one. Now close, okay, it's done. Now internal part, again I will go in ceiling, sketch ceiling, that will, what about this height? This height is 2.6, yeah, keep lower part, and other ceiling will be like, I'm going to sketch this one, this ceiling, okay, this is 2.8, okay, so okay, again I'm going back. If you want to add, like here we have cove, you can place, you can edit that extrusion. I will select this one, edit extrusion, and you can add this line, again 50, or you can make 50 offset, okay, here we will make offset 50, okay, close, so we can see this is, the scope has done, okay, finish. Now if you want to see, you can see in section layout, that's done,